Hey guys, welcome back to Reading and Writing Refuge. This is your weekly writing or creative prompt session. We are going to create for at least 8 minutes on my screen. You can always pause that and make it longer. So all you need to do is go gather some of your creative media, whatever it's going to be, pen, paper, sketch pad, laptop might be a good idea, and I will present a creative prompt to you, and I will set a timer for 8 minutes. Usually have something kind of boring on the screen, not much going on, and you can just sit there and write or create, and then halfway through that time I'll let you know, hey, we're at the halfway mark, and then I'll come back to you at the end, check in, see how things went. But I'm excited to present to you this prompt for the week. I think I'll pull a prompt out of my prompt bag that I have kept for many years. So it's just random prompts. I don't even know what's in there anymore at this point. So let's get started. Pause, go get what you need, and then I'll be right back and we will get started with creating. I'm actually having a hard time finding my prompt bag, and I'm actually doing a lot of shuffling of my writing material and organizing over a decade of papers and materials, and it's a big job right now. So we're going to use this today instead. It does say grades 4 through 8, but don't let that stump you because these are actually really good prompts. And I turned to today's date, which is January 25th, and that is the prompt we're going to use today. So I'm going to show it to you guys. Pause the video if you're not ready yet, and then push the play button when you're ready. But here is today's prompt. January 25th. Think of an important event from your life. Write about it as though it happened very differently than you remember. So you've got 8 minutes, and we will start right now. We are at the halfway mark and you are doing phenomenal. Keep writing. I know what you're writing is really important. So, yeah, I said don't let that middle grade writing prompt book stump you. And it did stump me. That was a rough one. That was a kick butt prompt, especially if you took it to the personal nonfiction realm. And so when I got that prompt, I was just kind of going through my mind, what would I change in my life? What event would I change and rewrite and make it different? And so then I spiraled into the butterfly effect. Because if you change one thing, even if it's the worst thing, the horrible thing, the day that was just horrific, right? Everyone has those. They have them in different degrees, different severity. And I know there are some days that should be changed, some events that should just be erased. But as I'm going through all these events and days, I'm thinking, if I change this one thing, then I change everything that comes after it, right? So that butterfly effect. So what did you get from that? Did it stump you as well? Were you able to write something really profound and powerful? And you know, with these prompts, one great way to use prompts is just to make it very versatile and very flexible. So if you can't go there with some of these nonfiction prompts that are real personal, put it on your character. Let them take that. Let them work through that for you. Let it be about them, but in a sense, it's going to be about you as well to a degree, right? Because there's so much truth in fiction. I believe that. And I think it's Emily Dickinson says, slant the truth. And I kind of wanted to name my channel that, but I didn't. I thought I should be practical. But I may switch it at some point. So, well, guys, that's going to be it for this week's writing prompt. I hope it was effective, and I hope you're having a wonderful week. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.